drowning in content ideas but struggling to bring them to life. Let's ditch the chaos and transform your content planning with the power of Asana in just 90 seconds. First, create a new project in Asana, title it something like Content Calendar 2024, and choose the board layout for a visual workflow. Now, set up your sections to reflect your content workflow stages, such as idea backlog, in progress, review, and publish. Think of these as the journey each piece of content takes. Start adding tasks to the idea backlog section. Each task represents a single piece of content, like a blog post, video, or social media update. Click into each task to add details. Fill in the task description with the content brief, add a due date to keep you on track, assign it to the team member responsible, and use custom fields to track things like content type, platform, and target audience. As you start working on a piece of content, simply drag the task card to the appropriate section, like in progress. This gives everyone visibility into the content's current status. Switch to the calendar view to see your content schedule at a glance. Drag and drop tasks to reschedule them as needed. Leverage Asana's collaboration features. Tag team members in the comments, attach relevant files, and use subtasks to break down larger projects into manageable steps. Finally, once the content is published, move the task card to the Publish section. This creates a visual record of all your completed content. And that's it. You've just mastered content planning with Asana. For more in-depth tutorials and tips, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Now go create some amazing content.